they just cut off their heads. Like, the daddy dies, then the mommy will be sad. When they shoot a deer and they just get the meat from it, they just cut off their heads, like, and the mommy, like, what if the baby's just, like, seeing them just die? Like, no. That would have been sad. Like, what if there's, like, a mommy deer, and then they're taking her sons, and the mommy dies, and then the baby has, like, nothing to do about it.
Do you need to eat meat to be healthy?
No. You know.
Well, tell them what your favorite thing is.
Mac and cheese. Only like vegan.